one way. Anything for above 60 years old, 65? That's me. I'm 66.
To have a rail card.
No, I don't.
Okay, well, for traveling together.
Traveling together.
Get a third off.
Okay.
I think that's
Aku beli tiket sendiri
Pardon?
tengok.
It's 21.30 altogether.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, you just press the red button on the keypad, just click that.
Kalau kat depan, cepat sikit.
Ada meja, ada meja.
This is Upshot. This is the service to London Waterloo. The next station is Cleveland.
Planned engineering works will be taking place in the South Western Railway network this weekend, Saturday the 15th and Sunday the
3 goreng dengan tauco.
Oh, tak payah rebus beria tu dulu.
Tak bagus.
Lalu yang yang pahit.
Pahit lah, bagus, sedap. Tidak tak ada lah kick dia kacau ya.
Dengar tu.
Kalau tidak, hari ni tak ada udang dalam freezer tu. Dia biar ada layu, baru masuk. Saya nak masukkan chopstick tu. Sekejap lagi. Tunjuk dia. Bila apa? Masuk ni.
Crab meat.
Dah empuk belum? Wow. Kan simple.
Simple.
Betul lah.
Sedap.
Mesti pahit kan? Kalau tak pahit tak jadi kan?
Okey.